I'm just gonna go down here, just taking some pictures. Okay. Count down to 3, alright? You have to go in front. Sorry, why don't you go in front of me right here? Because I need to stay to the side of the road. Okay. Count down to 3. First. Yeah, it's a triple hybrid. I'll tell you afterwards. Whoever hits 40, and I'll pull off the side of the road. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Not enough voltage to get up to 40.
Yeah.
But good.
It's pretty good, actually.
Yeah, the fastest, it goes 37 max around.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a triple hybrid, so there's a 72 volt motor. So it produces around probably half of what you do. Yours is like 9 horsepower, 8 horsepower back. This is probably like 4 horsepower.
Gotcha.
And then it has I put an inside generator in there as well.
Ah, cool.
I used to have a Ninja before. I sold it and made this thing, so.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I read. Yeah, it's fun. But anyway, I like that. The other bike I was considering was the Z125 too, because it's a nice it's a small. I had like a Ninja 300 before. It was good, but I like something a little bit smaller that I can flick around a little bit better because I'm a little bit smaller.
Gotcha.
But yeah, that's probably be my next bike, just something like that.
Fun. The biggest gripe is the fact that when you shift them, sometimes they pop out of gear.
Okay.
A lot of guys, the reason being is they don't have the clutch adjusted right.
Okay.
You gotta adjust it so it's only like half what a normal bike is.
Right.
Instead of a nickel up replay, about a quarter of an inch, and that works fine.
Yeah.
But anyhow, I'm on my way to Madison via back road.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, it's fun times. Good day to do it too.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy it.
Yeah.